issues with it since I first got it, so.
Shows you're getting louder.
Intro real quick.
All right, so we got 3 RS Platinum 18s.
Okay.
You know, obviously not sealed off or nothing yet. On a Scar RP2K. So
really,
no power hardly at all right now.
Okay. What kind of? Did you build the box?
Yes, sir.
There's some fabrication in this one.
I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, nice work, man.
I appreciate it.
I know it's still work in progress. You're gonna make it look pretty after you're done, I'm sure.
Yeah. I'm from Augusta, Georgia. I'm
Okay.
going home probably next weekend. I'll wind up spraying the inside of the box and adds a couple more braces. Still testing, you know what I mean, finding weak spots and all that.
Yes, sir. Nice. Do you know the specs on the enclosure?
Sealed section is 9.7 cubes.
Okay.
Boarded section is 20.
Yes.
It's 350 square inches of board.
Okay.
Plays from about 24 to 62.
All right.
I know that's going to change once I seal it off and all that too.
Oh yeah. Can I see the amp?
Yeah, absolutely.
Awesome. Thank you for the demo.
Oh, yeah, no problem, man. Amp hour.
Alright.
Got the Scar RP2K.
And this is at, I'm gonna guess, 1.3?
1 ohm.
1 ohm? Okay.
Dual 2s in the front, the rear one's a dual 1. Series parallel, 1 ohm.
That's a good idea. So you can actually do 3 subs, 2 in 1. I just learned something. Appreciate that.
Yes, sir.
It's taught me something. I never knew that.
I'm gonna make a beauty panel and all that. Full doors. I work a full-time job, so you know
Yes, sir.
what I mean? I work on it when I can.
Yep. Nice to meet you. Thank you for the demo.
Appreciate it. I've had issues with it since I first got it, so.
Shows you're getting louder.
Everything but about 2 pieces.
Because I just seen it on his phone, looked like you built it in there.
Yeah.
What was your old build?
I had different subs in here, and the port was different. It had a diamond port that was only about 280 square inches.
Yeah. Okay.
Come on. I got a Yinlong 80 amp hour lithium bank and Ohio generator 300 amp alternator.
Well, your voltage is going to be solid then with just 2K.
It's kind of. I'm wondering if I'm having alternator issues though, because it's kind of low compared to what it has been.
It still drops what, low 13s or?
Yeah. Maybe. I'm sorry, man. I can't.
Hey, no worries, man.
Not wanting to read right now. Turn it off and start it back up. See if that helps.
Father, forgive me.
bandwidth though, man. Yeah.
I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, so far, man, it's been what I wanted so far. car.
Yes, sir. Put this window up.
Yeah, you can. It plays about the same.
Okay.
Either way.
DJ Siren.
I appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir. Thank you for the demo.
Wants to cut in and out.
With the new USB?
No, that was the other
The old
one.
one. I
Yeah.
bet you have solder or something broke loose in it.
I've had issues with it since I first got it, so.
Shows you're getting louder.
He built it in the car. In the car, yeah. That's what it looks
Everything but about 2 pieces.
Because I just seen it on his phone. Looked like you built it.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.